Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this sub-series, we are going to see how to create view and how to change and delete a view. First, in this video, we will learn about the SQL Server views. So, a view is a virtual object which represents a query. So let's state you write a query, and if you save that query with a name, we can call that as a view. So that's why we call view as a virtual object which represents a query. We can also call a view as a named query, as already stated. You write a SQL query and name it and save that to the database. Then we call that as a view. So once created, a view can be reused because you are saving the select statement with a name. So we can reuse that select statement with the view name. Since view contains columns and rows of data, it can be queried for specific columns. So once view is created, you can treat that view as a table and you can query specific columns from that view. So not only that, you can also perform filter to pick a specific record. So as already stated, you can treat the view like a table, and whatever select query you can write in a table, you can do that in the view as well. If actual table contains sensitive information, a view can be created so to suppress those data. In this case, view can be given to more audience because table contains sensitive information. So a view can be created to suppress those sensitive information and picks only what is relevant to the user. So if that's the case, view can be given to more audience and the underlying tables can be secured by granting permission to specific users. So for example, this is the table. So if you see here, the table contains sensitive information at particular columns. So if you see, when we are creating the view, we pick only column relevant to the user and we suppress the sensitive information. So at runtime, what happens? So using the permission grant, table will be given to specific users, but view is given to more users. So let's state that these users can access only these three columns and they cannot access the sensitive information, or they don't even have access to the underlying table. So the table is given only to admin and other privileged users. So that's one use. So one is the query, it's a named query, and from here you can retrieve the data and reuse it. Another one is you can add security to the underlying table and give view to more audience. In this sub-series, we will see how to create, modify and delete views. There is no demo in this video. We just got introduced to SQL Server views. Thank you for watching. Bye.